Hello, it's Anita again. A few days ago, I posted some videos and photos about our company. And today, I'm in the factory now. So I want to thank you. Thank you for friends post and also comment on my post. Thank you very much. So now look at behind me. This is our factory. Our factory name is Henan Sanders Abrasives Co. Limited. So now please follow me and we will look at our factory inside. Let's go. Everyone, so let's go inside of our factory now. Okay, so for the later discussion, I want to introduce my partner, Esther, to you. Please welcome.
Hello everyone, it's my great pleasure to introduce our factory. Come in. Yeah, our wholesale products, fiberglass backing pad, and they are suitable for 0.5 inches flat disc, and they are ready for shipment.
Okay, thank you, Esther. I have one question for you.
Yeah.
Do you know how many raw materials do we have for the flat disc production?
Yeah, of course I know.
Okay.
Besides the fiberglass backing, we also need jumbo roll and the glue.
Okay, well done.
Yeah.
So later we will say our abrasive jumbo. Okay? Okay, let's go. This is number 1 warehouse, abrasive cloth warehouse. So in order to meet different requirements for the quality, we use domestic brands as well as international brands like Kinketo, Sunling, Deerforce, DSM, Sunlight, and other brands. Also for this abrasive cloth, we have different materials for the different applications like aluminum oxide, zirconia, ceramic, silicon carbide, and also compact grains.